Albuquerque has issued a dust storm warning for southeastern Roosevelt County and east central New Mexico, eastern Curry County and east central New Mexico, until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a dust storm was over Clovis. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 65 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Highway 60 between mile markers 377 and 397. Locations impacted include Clovis, Portales, Sixico, Dora, Grady, Causey, Nilmasand, Rangedale, Arch and Oasis State Park. Dust storms are unhealthy and have been known to lead to valley fever. Avoid outdoor exposure. Dust storms create dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If you encounter a dust storm, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.